The readLine method of the console class reads an entire line of text input from the user and returns the input as a string. The Console.ReadLine method returns a nullable string because the user might press enter without typing anything, which results in a null value. To avoid the warning, you can assign the input directly to a nullable variable. Alternatively, you can use the null coalescing operator to provide a default value when the input is null.